Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am going to be reacting your assumption about me. This is a trend that is going on in YouTube. I don't know if it's still going. Trend, just gonna call it trend. It just began, and the first question is if YouTube is my only job. It is not my only job. I have a full-time job. You drink wine? No, I do not drink wine. I don't like alcohol. I don't drink any type of alcohol. I don't like the taste of the alcohol. I just don't. I don't drink wine. Yeah, are you an only child? No, I am not an only child. I have two sisters. Next question, I feel that you are a strong woman. Yes and no. I do like to stay strong. I don't like to show my weak side, so be always a strong person. And when I guess if I cry or something, I like to just keep it to myself. I am a very strong person. When it comes to feelings and stuff, I don't like to show, I guess, the other side of myself. But yes, I am pretty strong. You love to work out? Yes, I do love to work out. Are you the youngest? No, I am not the youngest. I'm the oldest, and I have two older sisters, my middle sister and my youngest sister. I guess everybody assumed that I'm the youngest because they see my older sister, my middle sister. She's very tall. I think she is like she's like 5'11" or 10. Anyway, she is pretty tall, so people assume that she's the oldest and I'm the youngest, but no, I'm the oldest and she is the middle child, and I have my youngest sister. I'm assuming you're a very short person. No, I am not a short person. I don't know what you consider short. I'm not a short person. I think I'm pretty average. I'm either 5'6" or 5'7". Next question. I eat healthy food. Love you too, thank you. No, I actually don't eat healthy food all the time. I don't only limit myself only eat healthy food, but no, I don't eat healthy food. People assume that that's all I eat just because I always work out, and I don't know, just I guess people assume that I eat healthy food. No, I don't only eat healthy food. Next question. You get hit on a lot in the gym? No, I don't get hit a lot in the gym. I get hit on like here there, but not a lot like people would think that I get hit on. So no, I don't get hit on a lot. I don't know if because I wear those big headphones, so they don't, I guess they just don't come to you and bother you, I guess. So but no, when I go to the gym, I just go there for business, to work out and eat in and out. So I don't just. The next question is that you are always perfect and happy. No, I am not always perfect and happy. Nobody's perfect in the world. I just like to just stay happy all the time. I like to show that I'm happy. You always happy. You bring happiness to your life. I don't like to be negative. I like to stay positive as much as I can, and I like to just be happy. We just have to be happy. Even if you have a bad day, you have to be happy, because there's nothing else you can do. Just be happy and grateful and blessed. No, and I'm not perfect. Nobody in the world is perfect. I don't consider myself perfect. I got my days. I do get upset. I do get sad, but no, I do everything in my power to stay positive and happy. It's easier to live that way than just be angry and negative. The next question. That you have a lot of friends. I don't think I have a lot of friends. I'm very particular with my friendship and to call someone a friend. So no, I do have friends. I just don't have a lot of friends. Some of you assume that I have a lot of friends. That you are vegan. No, I am not vegan. Next question is, you don't like to snack. I do like to snack. Everybody loves to snack. I like to have my Cheetos and Doritos, but I do everything with moderation, and I still do. If I want a snack, I still go and buy me some healthy snack, like things they had less sodium or sugar or carbs and calories. But other than that, if I want to eat a bag of Doritos, I will get a bag of Doritos. I don't limit myself with either food or snack. If I want to eat it, I just gonna go ahead and eat it. I don't like to deprive myself when it comes to food. So yes, I do like to snack. I just do everything, including with my meals. very in moderation. My next question, you were popular in school? No, I was never a popular girl, never was a popular girl in school. But no, I am not popular, or never was popular. I was in school, I was to myself all the time. I didn't have that many friends, and I was just into myself. Or but no, I was very quiet, very shy in school, and I did not have a lot of friends, and I was never a popular girl. Now my sister, on the other hand, she was very popular. Alright guys, so that was my last question. Thank you for submitting your obsession about me. To do another video, something like this, just hit like and comment down below and let me know if you want me to do more of this type of video. So I do understand not very many people knows who I am, so it's kind of hard to assume something about someone if you don't know. So anyways guys, thank you so much for watching, and again, don't forget to hit that description box, the little bell, so you could get a notification. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching. Love you. Bye bye.